If you are a new YouTuber or you are on a journey of starting your YouTube channel, watch this video. Hi guys, it's your girl Ashidi YouTuber Angie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. I love you guys so much. And if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, please do not make it your last. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and be an active subscriber. And I love you too. Mwah. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 things you need to know as a new YouTuber or as someone that is on a journey of starting their YouTube channel. So stick with me and don't go anywhere. So here I have lists of the things. I wrote them down, so we'll be taking it one after the other, and trust me, I'm not here to waste your time, so this video is going to be short and snappy, but well detailed. All right, let's go. 10 things you need to know as a new YouTuber or someone that is starting their YouTube journey. For a new YouTuber, congratulations on starting your YouTube journey as a content creator, and to those that are on the journey of starting their YouTube channel, we can't wait to have you here. So number one on my list is, as you have started, be patient and persistent. Trust me, it is not going to be easy. Hey, this is going to push you. It's going to push you. The slow growth, the setbacks, the stress and all of that, the stress of shooting content, editing and posting, and no views, no likes, nothing. Trust me, I know I have been there. Like, I'm still there, but we are growing together, right? So just take it easy on yourself. With time, everything is going to balance. Okay. 2, develop your unique voice and style. Yes, you heard me right. Develop your unique voice and style. I did not say you should not copy, but don't copy their personality. Like, copy with sense. Be different in developing your unique and personal style. Be different in showcasing your persona in a different way. Pray for uncommon ideas. Ask God for uncommon ideas so you can be different in the field. You get? Yeah. So, and that's that. Then number 3, be consistent. Posting consistently and posting good content is going to help build your followers. We are building a community of genuine and loyal people, so you have to be consistent for you to grow that channel, for you to grow that page. You have to be consistent. You have to be intentional about it. You have to be posting consistently. I remember when I was growing my Facebook page, which I have 21,000 followers now. When I was still growing it, I think I was like in 4,000 followers or so. I did 30 days content marathon on fashion related content, and trust me, that was what skyrocketed my page to the followers I have now. So consistency is one of the things you need to know as a YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, or as someone on the journey of becoming a YouTuber. Learn to collaborate. Bring in people that you can bring in. Collaborate. Those people have their own audience, and as you are collaborating, both of you are growing each other. So learn to collaborate when necessary. Number 4, stay up to date with trends. Okay, this one is a tricky one. It's good to stay up to date as a new content creator, YouTuber, or whatever. It is good to stay up to date. It is good to join the trends and all of that, but be careful on the type of trends you are jumping on. Join trends that resonate with your brand or with whatever it is that you're trying to put out there. Join healthy trends. Exactly. In general, join healthy trends. Staying up to date can help you grow your page. That's that. So over to number 5, right? Learn to engage with your audience. learn to reply comments, connect with these people. You are building a brand, you are building a community. So interact with your followers, answer questions, ask questions, use question box, do polls in your post and all of that. Engage with them, let them feel loved, let them feel connected, healthy engagement. And as you're doing that, also be setting healthy boundaries, let everything be minimal, yeah. Engaging with your audience is also a good way to growing your page. Number 6 on our list is investing in quality equipment. Borrow your friend's phone to shoot a good content when you are able to get your own phone. You can also collaborate with photographers to or videographers to make a good video. Just do something, grow that YouTube channel. When YouTube start paying you, you can now start buying big camera and all of that. But for now, do what you can do, or even shoot with your phone if you have a good phone, or collaborate with a photographer. If you have money to hire a photographer, that's very good to help you shoot your content. A photographer or videographer to help you shoot your content, that's a very good one as well. You can go ahead and do that. Number 7, editing. Editing is the essential part of content creation. So our advice, you learn the basics of video and photo editing to enhance your content. You can edit with CapCut, InShot. There are a lot of editing software that you can actually use. You can actually learn how to edit from YouTube, TikTok. Look for someone that can teach you, a pro that can teach you and all of that. So, and that's that. Number 8 on our list is don't niche down. Yes, you heard me right. Do not niche down. As a creator that is starting out, I would advise you not to niche down. It's good to do one thing that people will know you for. I am a fashion content creator. Do you get, I create fashion related content on my Facebook, Instagram, on TikTok. Well, you vlog, I'm a YouTuber. I'm here teaching you tips on how to be a YouTuber or what to know as a new YouTuber and all of that. So you can be the niche, grow your account. When there is a level you will get to, you can now start niching down. But for now, as a newbie, I would tell you to, be diverse. Be diverse, yeah. Number 9 on things you need to know as a new YouTuber or someone on a journey of starting their YouTube channel. Learn to create high quality content, good content that can get people to watch a minute of your video. Do you get? Learn to create high quality content. Also, make sure that your video is educative. If they're not learning something, they are laughing. You just have to be a problem solver. You get? You just have to be a problem solver in any way that you can. The last one on the list is be authentic. Be authentic and transparent. Be original. Be yourself. This thing falls under developing your unique voice and style. Is also part of authenticity.
Authenticity is being true to yourself, your values, and your beliefs. The acting in ways that align with your core self, your core values.
I think with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you to start a YouTube channel or that page as a content creator. So I believe we've come to the end of this video. Like I promised you guys, very demure, very fast, very short, So thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.